If you're considering starting a business, it's the simplest and the most straightforward way to dip your toes in the entrepreneurial waters. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics designed to help save you time and money. So what exactly is a sole proprietorship? Well, it's a type of business where just one individual is the owner and operator. It's perfect for people who want to be their own boss, without any complex formalities or hoops to jump through. You basically get to call all the shots, without any partners or board members to consult. Now, let's talk about the benefits and drawbacks of a sole proprietorship. One of the major benefits is that setting it up is usually quick, easy, and affordable. You retain control over all business decisions, and you receive all the profits. Sounds great, right? But keep in mind, the drawback here is that you also assume all the risks and liabilities. Your personal assets are not separate from your business assets. To give you a bit more perspective, let's sprinkle in some interesting statistics. You might be intrigued to know that a substantial number of businesses in the United States, nearly 73% in fact, are sole proprietorships. And did you know, on average, businesses of this nature have a net income of about $13,000 per year? These figures give you an idea of how prevalent and potentially profitable this business model can be. Before we wind up, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Firstly, although it's a simpler setup, it's vital to keep clear and accurate records of all your business transactions. Secondly, remember, just because it's a one-person show doesn't mean you can't seek advice or consultancy from experts in various fields. And lastly, even though it is a less formal business structure, professionalism should never take a back seat. And now, for those of you who are keen to embark on this journey, but find the idea of dealing with legalities and paperwork a bit daunting, we have the perfect solution for you. Trust us at legalregistration.com, the #1 third-party organization in helping to set up sole proprietorships for people in any state. We are here to ease your journey by taking care of all licensing and registration on your behalf. Remember, our goal is to assist you in realizing your entrepreneurial dreams without the fuss and hassle. Because at the end of the day, your business success is our success too. For help getting your sole proprietorship off the ground, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on sole proprietorships? Do they seem ideal for your business interests, or are you interested in other entities as well? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.